going to step back one length of the foot. I'm spotting her here. The arms will go up. Draw in the navel. Put the hands on the pedal. I'm keeping the hips directly over the ankles and press the pedal down. Now stay there. Now pump the arms 3 times and stay right here. Exhale every time. Pump 2 and hold number 3. Now just come up halfway and feel that pull up through the body. Down, bend and straighten the arms 3 times. And 1 and 2 and 3. Now hold. Now I'm holding the hip bones here. Now pull up just halfway so you can feel it. Then go down. Now this time after we pump 3 times, we're coming up all the way. 1. Think of this as a pull up on the chair. And now hold, now pull in on the stomach, let go of the chair pedal, lift up, open the arms and press the air down. So the feeling is exactly the same as when you do a pull-up that way. So that's one of the first things we can do to kind of wake up that area, and then we can sit on the floor and do the teaser press down. And then we can do the pull-up on the chair. Hands on the chair. Pull up in the stomach and press the pedal down. And the other foot is on. Now my foot can come off. Without moving, move the hands a little bit more forward. I want you just to, now don't move anything. This is a little bit more of a building block. Take the heels down. They've already done this, and we can lift up through the stomach. Everybody knows how to lift the stomach into the body when they lift the heels. So let's add this little tendon stretch to it. Now 2 more. This is a great way to get into the pull-up. Down. Now this time pull up. Just let it go up. Go up. Go down. Let the heels down. No, let the heels down. Then lift the heels and lift the body. Down. Heels down. Lift the heels, lift the body. Now leave the heels up and go up and down with the body. And 3, so it works really well like that. And 2, and 1. And then come down, and now move the hands back a little. My foot goes here for safety. Put one foot on the floor, and then bring the other leg up.